has exaggerated the threat from the last weapons of mass destruction.
I wish we had these kind of capabilities.
Judicial inquiry requires full cooperation with the committee investigation.
Damn. By the time we get there to retaliate, they're already gone.
Hey, you there. Hello? Hello? Yes, I'm talking to you.
What? How'd you do that?
You haven't seen anything yet.
Very impressive.
Listen, I can help you. I can give you the 5 mighty powers that will help you win your battle.
Okay. Show me.
But you will have to do one thing for me too.
What?
First, let me show you the mighty powers, and then we'll talk business. The first power is spot your enemy anywhere. With this mighty power, you'll be able to detect, recognize, and identify your threats and enemy targets from high altitudes. Above the atmosphere, and down to Earth.
Wow.
Let's see if you can spot me.
Wouldn't miss that in a lifetime.
Can you see me? With these systems, you can turn night into day.
Just like magic.
And spot your enemy anytime, anywhere, and under any weather conditions. So, what do you think?
Well, now I see. But seeing isn't enough.
So let's lock on to the mighty lock-on power. Lock on and never let go. Once you've detected a target, it's lock-on time.
Well, that's easier said than done.
Easier done with this mighty power you now have. Hey, stop that. You can lock on, track, and even locate detected enemy targets in the air or on the ground by simply operating unique electro-optical means.
Right, that way we can strike targets precisely from safe distances.
Do you see how easy that was?
Excellent job, I'm really impressed.
You know, ground forces can also peer through aiming devices, spot designated targets, and even automatically aim artillery guns with pinpoint accuracy.
Right on target.
Now let's talk big scale. Control your battlefield from afar. Can you imagine the power fighting forces would have if every bit of battle information would be available in one tactical display?
Hey, you're talking way future here.
No. It's here and now. Look. Everything is here. Your forces, enemy forces, and threats. All this information can be shared with all your units.
It's unbelievable.
See? You can transfer clear orders to other air or ground units in a click.
This is the most advanced display I've ever seen. And the moving map is outstanding.
That's right. With the mighty power of control, you'll have the big picture in view in time, all the time.
Let me try this.
Hey! This is not a game.
So what now?
I think this next power will interest you more than anything else. Fight and survive. The mighty power to fight and survive lets you detect threats on your way to engage enemy targets.
Single hostile at 290.
Let me show you the sophisticated situational awareness systems and 3D warnings.
Now I can actually see the threats around me. Whoa, that was close. Eagle 1, full speed ahead.
Welcome back. Surviving is the most important thing, but efficiency is important too. The power to operate efficiently. Operating efficiently is crucial.
We're already very efficient.
Imagine transforming a young pilot into an experienced one by training him on simulators and lead-in trainers.
That way my crew can experience today's battlefield scenarios using low-cost platforms, leaving the expensive gear for the mission itself.
That's right. Your crews will also be able to debrief recorded missions. I can also upgrade your aging air and ground fighting platforms with next-generation capabilities to meet today's and tomorrow's combat challenges.
Just like magic.
So, now let's see what you could do with all those mighty powers I gave you. And here's an extra special power. The best helmet-mounted system. I bet you could use it. With this helmet, you could look, lock on, and launch.
Thanks. It's exactly what I need. I'll do whatever you ask. Just let me keep these powers.
They're all yours. All I ask is that you help me share all this knowledge with friendly nations and set up facilities on their sites to transfer these powers to them too.
I'll do it.
Let's synergize technologies and capabilities and create winning formulas for success.
Hey guys, where you been, man? I've got something important to tell you.
Good luck.
Hey, where are you from?
Elbit Systems, a magical mix of battle-proven experience, know-how, and technology.